everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's almost 3 months now guys since Mr. Shona Ferguson's passing. It's still very painful, unbelievable and difficult to accept, especially to his family. He may be gone, but he will never be forgotten. The late Mzansi actor, executive producer and co-founder of Ferguson Film, Shona Ferguson begs international nominations at the Hollywood and African prestigious awards. Shona has been nominated for Best Lead Drama Series, while his series Kings of Joburg is nominated for Outstanding Drama Series in Africa. His wife, Connie'S couldn't hold herself but continue to celebrate her husband's achievement. On her social media platform, she shared the following message. Hashtag the show goes on. Hashtag Kings of Joburg. Hashtag legend never die. Hashtag live love, live legacy. My dear husband, I always told you that you were my favorite actor to work with and probably one of the most underrated in this country. Your talent was beyond. How you committed to each character you portrayed always left me in awe. You will never be forgotten ever. I have always been proud of you and you continue to make us proud beyond the grave. God is good. Bravo, Mr. Shaw. Bravo. Guys, indeed, Mr. Shaw deserves recognition for his significant impact in many lives through his work. This prestigious awards will be held on Friday the 22nd through the 24th of October 2021 at the Orpheum Theatre in the United States of America. May his soul continue to rest in peace. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate the legend's hard work. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.